to LennysListingDotCom. Demo number 4. What I'm working on here is I'm building a profile page, and I call it the ProfileCreater. And when I'm building it, I'm trying to figure out how the flow should go. Should I have like a little bar up here, like a progress bar that continues on each page you go? This blue part will get more complex. I built 2 buttons in here. A check password button, so you can check to see if your password's available. And I wrote some code here. I wrote all this right here, and this part here. What it does is it starts off, creates variables, initializes them, then it tests the edit box. It goes, hey, if it's too short, then say it's too short. Then I have some code here that it determines what kind of characters you typed in your password, and I have it counting those type of characters. And then it continues on, and then you'll see a case here that determines how that score rankings. And I gave the number count values a different score. Now I could put these scores, or I could put like 10, 20, 30, 40. I just picked around 75, 50. It could be anything, but I chose those numbers. They do have significance though, because I chose a certain count ranges to be certain scores. And in saying that, you'll see that if a count is 0, meaning there wasn't no uppercase characters were counted, then you minus score. That's how I have it. And if you have only one character in there is like that, then you're only plus 50. But that's where I can tweak this. I haven't seen a good one yet. I've seen a lot of poors and a lot of excellents, and obviously my number grouping isn't proper here. I gotta adjust these, because when we go in there, let's take a little look here and see what comes up. You'll see that I have it set so that when all of a sudden you have when you go to when you go make your profile, right? Sometimes I thought I would win, sometimes I thought I'd lose. I have no idea what any show is out like. I'm pretty happy. When the profile comes up, it's funny how these images aren't coming up here. I gotta look into that. But obviously, I can make them smaller. I gotta compress them more and change some options. But what the thing here is, I have a couple buttons here that say like check availability, the password checking. Let's say you put a password checking in here, like you put like I have it so that there's stars down here. I will put stars up here once the programming is finished. But let's go like this. That is exactly. This should say poor because it's only 6, and a capital would give it poor as well. No, it would be excellent because you have 1. But I want to make it so you have a capital and a number. Yes. The competition was up there pretty good. I kind of thought Luke was. That's easy to do. Kind of a pretty serious. Let's go back to the code. Now, if by number count is a 1, then the score is going to be 1. Okay. Now I'm going to override this. I'm going to override. Okay, this is overriding. Let's go if upper count is greater than or equal to 1. Okay. Right? And the lowercase, which will be the and the number, upper count and number count. And by number count, yeah, this is easy. do one of those. And let's just do one more. Let's just copy this whole section here and put it here. And then I'm going to go up here and grab some more code here. This is how I do a lot of programming. I'm lazy when it comes to typing. I'd rather just click. But what I'm working on here is I gotta go to the and lowercase, yes, lowercase count. That's the ice on the cake. What I'm gonna do here is if they're all greater than 1, then it's actual. Then I'm just gonna do one of these. Boom. Okay. And I'll just organize it a little bit here. Oh, I have messy code. Alright. Go over here. And then let's just make it green, yeah. Excellent. And that's where I can make this one just say good here. These are all goods. Alright. Let's try this. And now I should be able to check this out here fairly quickly in determining if the code works. See, like, what's this? That's gonna be 4. What's this? That's poor. You know what? Okay, this is all poor. 4. Exactly. Okay. Now you put one little capital on there, right? It should be good. That's good. You should be able to double. You know, that's a good password too. That's pretty excellent. But no, it's not excellent. What's excellent?
Thank you, Mike.
That is excellent.
Your first day of skins competition, $225,000. What a great feeling.
Yeah, it really was.
Oh.
It was a great first day, but big money
Not
today.
excellent.
Freddie's the king of the second day here.
Well, Annika, how'd you come up with the skirt idea for Freddie?
That's longer than 16.
It wasn't my idea, it was his
1,
idea.
2, 3,
So, but I
4,
like the
5,
story.
6,
It was
7,
a pretty
8, 9,
skirt.
10, 11, 12, 13,
So I heard you had
16. Yeah, I think I only have 16.
Had to have something with the skirt.
That's fine.
You know, it was an interesting look. But you know what, though? It looked good. It made his eyes.
Yeah, I don't have a 16. Well, that's my fault. How big should I have a password?
When you were shut off last
Well,
year,
we should check the database then.
you were the king of Sundance.
Let's just go over here and let's just check the database. And let's see what's going on here.
Alrighty, thanks. Michael, they're ready to go.
Andy, thank you. Here's
And
where
we'll know.
we get 10 goals, 46 yards.
I'll be able to see the length I have on the password. And I think I have a 16 or I have a 13, so I gotta boost the database up. That's what I gotta do. But how big should a password be? What's a good password length? That's what I'm gonna do some research on that, and you know what I'm working on. I'm piecing things together. If you want to get a hold of me, that's burndata at Hotmail. Later.
Carries the honor over.